Okay, so this weekend we're going to be doing quite a bit of cooking, but as you can tell, I'm in a different setting. Props to those of you who guess where I am before I say. So I'm going to be cooking for a couple of friends, and we're going to be using a lot of rainbow plant-lised recipes because they are just phenomenal. We're going to be making a Palak paneer, but with tofu instead, and then cauliflower steaks with caramelised shallots, lemon orzo pasta salad, and also had 10 ingredient lentil bolognaise. I've also made this on this channel before. I love cooking, so I've decided to try out my new techniques and skills on my friends and see how they like it. So we finally went to the shops to buy all the ingredients, so we're going to do a little haul and show you exactly what we have. So while I'm showing you all the grocery haul, I just want to take this time to say a massive thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't heard of Skillshare before, it's an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning, and it's a great way to invest in yourself and your personal growth. I first was interested in Skillshare when I wanted to learn more about productivity and how to make better YouTube videos. But now that I found that there is an even wider array of classes than I initially thought, I've moved on to Etka Chowdhury's indoor gardening, grow houseplants, veggies, and herbs. I truly believe that being a student is such an incredible thing, learning more and trying to build upon our skills every single year. If you're interested in checking out Skillshare, the first 1,000 of my subscribers that click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Okay, so we managed to get most of these stuff unpackaged. There's only a couple of things like this pasta, but it's all in paper. We got some local Texas wine, and this is a really cute one. It's basically about 2 friends, so I thought it was perfect. And then I'm going to show you all of the things that we were able to get in bulk as well. The only things that we did use in packaging was some of the herbs, but we can reuse these, so I'm pretty happy with how much stuff we were able to get unpackaged.
Madison wants to know if you want to go to the movies today or if you want to go a different day. The cinema?
I'd be down to go today. I'm always down to go to the movies. I love these things.
It is made in Mexico from recycled materials. Just trying to be on brand at all times.
That'll do. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this and see what we think. I wouldn't be offended if you hate it.
I don't think I'm going to hate it, but thank you for cooking.
It's so exciting to try new things.
I think the pistachios are a really nice touch. Sorry, what did you put in there that has like, oh, the red pepper? Hey, I like it. This is very gourmet compared to stuff I normally make for myself. I like how everything goes together. 7.5.
Yeah, I think that's fair. I think it's, I love tahini. Shabu doesn't love tahini, so I think that's probably why I like it a bit more. But I'm proud of us for trying something new.
I think this is really good. Honestly, I'm not mad at it.
Oh my god, I love that.
Honestly, also, I like it a lot more since I didn't have to cook it.
Do I know how to use a knife?
Baby, you don't need to use it.
This is so much pressure.
Just use the fork.
I don't know if I could do this.
Just use the fork.
Oh, oh, dropping stuff. This is fire. This is delicious.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. But, you know, if they weren't here, I'd pick this up and I'd eat it like a little rice cake. But it's good. I love it. I like this little sauce.
Look at how cute you are.
What a fit.
I guess it's gardening day. Look at that hat. Oh my goodness. So while I've been cooking, the other 2 have been outside gardening. So let's see what they've been up to. They're getting the raised beds ready for planting, and Shelby has so many seeds. So they're getting a lot of their seeding trays ready to plant lots of seeds so that they're ready for this season when their frost, their winter storm is over.
Starter thingies.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Chicken's doing well over there, being cute.
They're eating the seed Shelby's putting down.
Stop it!
No way.
Yes.
Feels like the first time. You still catch my eye with every little thing you do. It's like a river wild, running as free as it can be. Oh, it's waking up.
Okay, I'm gonna give this a try. This might be, I'm not 100% sure that they're gonna like this. The preserved lemon is very strong, so if you don't like that flavor, you might not like this, but let's give this a try. Oh my goodness. Pine nuts are really expensive, so I don't use them very often, but when you do use them, that flavor is, it's really good. Right, let's see if they wanna try it, but if you like preserved lemons, I think you'll really like this.
Oh yes.
And I'm very excited. This was like a perfect post-gardening meal.
So we all have our roles, and Emmy's been killing it in the kitchen. So
Well, wait till you taste it.
really, like my portion should just be like this.
It's not too much lemon.
The lemons are really good. I love it.
You keep eating, just check. I mean, I love preserved lemons, but...
No, I think it's great. It's very, I feel like it's very fresh with the lemon and the spinach.
And the pasta's cooked like, it's cooked really well.
You guys are too good to me.
What is this thing? I don't know what this is.
That's garlic.
Oh, okay.
She cut it so thin, you're not used to seeing it like that.
Yeah, I used to see it. I just chop everything up as small as I can.
What's the little bit of spice that's in here? It's good. This is great. I mean, I don't know why you're so self-conscious.
I mean, when can you move in? You had as many steps as we had out there. You made it seem so effortless though. When I came in here to grab a couple things, I'm like, you're just killing it.
I also last night made me watch a film and I made some strawberries in dark chocolate and they are just so good. Me and Madison have just been
We've been killing them.
we've been working our way through them all. But I actually wanted to talk about the crisper bag because in my last video, are these zero waste hacks swaps really worth it? This one I didn't get a chance to talk to, but we're not actually that much of a fan because I feel like these have started to wilt, but we're gonna give it a couple more days and see because we're gonna make that Palak paneer tomorrow. So Shelby and I just finished filming a video for her channel and I'm gonna make now that tofu Palak paneer thing. So I've got everything ready just to make it a lot easier and yeah, we're gonna make that now. I'm so excited. I've made it with my partner a couple of times now and I'll be interested to see what Shelby and Madison think.
I kind of want my hair to be longer.
Let's go dancing.
Very helpful.
Like when we said let's go dancing on the beach.
I think I might have done something wrong, but I mean it still tastes really good, but it doesn't taste just how like when my partner makes it. He makes it really well, but we'll see what the others think. Still tastes pretty good. Okay, so Shelby's taking a tiny portion because I think she's worried that she's gonna hate it. So we'll see what she thinks.
I don't think I'll hate it because I do like this type of food. But Emmy says it's missing something. She's making me nervous.
It's a bit hot. The rice is probably a bit hot.
I mean, it's not bad. It's not super like punchy, flavorful like it looks like. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know what it's missing. It's missing something. Maybe I did something wrong.
It's good though, but also I know how much spinach is in here, which makes me excited because that means it's like super nutrient dense. So that makes me like it a little bit more.
I don't know what is wrong. I mean, it still looks amazing. I mean, look at that. Definitely don't take this as a reason not to try this recipe. It is really good. I think I've just done something wrong. I also cut the onion too big because I was rushing. Honestly, when it comes to this crisper bag, I think you could just use a tea towel and wet it. So far, I haven't seen that much help with herbs. With the spinach, it's definitely kept it quite fresh, but again, I don't think you have to buy these bags. I mean, I think a tea towel is probably your best bet. We just got back from a 6-mile walk, so I'm gonna make Rainbow Plant Life's 10 ingredient lentil bolognese. I've made this before, so I'm probably not gonna film it properly, but I'll link the video where I filmed it properly before, but I'll also leave the recipe below. Of course, I'm gonna be starving, so we're gonna get that going. I'll have that one. How did you break the wine glass?
I tried to put it in the dishwasher and it had a long stem and it fell over and just broke.
This is honestly one of my favorite meals that I've made because it's so like quick and easy and simple. I'm excited for the others to try it to see if they actually like it. The others.
I think it's probably about to burn the crap out of my mouth.
No,
No?
it's good.
That's really good. I had like 2 in my mouth. I was like, how do I chew this? But the flavors are just on point. It's absolutely incredible. And I like how the sauce is held in the noodles. That's really nice. And it's just everything goes together so nicely. I love it.
Why is this pasta your favorite? The pasta specifically.
I don't know, I just like the way the mouth feel, you know? It's so tubular.
This is great.
I just love pasta so much. It's always so much more fun cooking for other people. Usually I just cook at home and meal prep for myself, and a lot of the time I try to get my parents to eat some of that food too, but it's nice to cook for other people as well. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to see more food videos as well. And if you have any requests for videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you're looking for something to watch next, then I will put some on the next screen and link below as well if you want to see more food videos. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you very, very soon. Bye. Her son was her pigtails. My goodness. You are cute.
Thank you.
I really thought I was going to spit it out everywhere by accident. It's so good.
I've been caught red-handed. Alright, this is my good side. How I look.
You look great.
Thank you.
There's a feather here.
Really? Where the fuck did I get a feather?
No swearing.
Where on earth did I get a feather?
Action.